Welcome to our roundup of the best green screen options for creators, streamers, photographers, and video editors who want professional-looking backgrounds without spending a fortune. Whether you're filming YouTube videos, live streaming, shooting interviews, or creating cinematic content at home, a reliable green screen can instantly upgrade your production quality. The right backdrop gives you clean chroma key results, smooth editing, and unlimited creative freedom in post-production. In this video, we've selected top-rated green screens that offer excellent material quality, large coverage, sturdy support systems, and easy setup. We'll break down what makes each one stand out so you can pick the perfect option for your space and workflow. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal green screen for your setup. The first on the list is the Beiyang 10x20 photography backdrop green screen. This backdrop is designed for creators who need massive coverage for wide shots, group scenes, or full-body filming. Extra-large 10x20 size, wrinkle-resistant polyester fabric, and machine-washable material make it a practical and professional choice. The oversized dimensions give you incredible flexibility, allowing you to film from multiple angles without worrying about edges creeping into the frame. This is especially useful for interviews, dance videos, or product shoots where movement is involved. The polyester fabric is thick enough to prevent light bleed-through, which is a common issue with thinner green screens. Because of this, you get cleaner keying results during editing, saving time in post-production. The material is also designed to resist wrinkles, and if any folds appear from storage, they can be easily removed with light steaming. This ensures a smooth, even surface that chroma key software can process accurately. Another major advantage is its durability and ease of maintenance. Since the fabric is machine washable, you do not have to worry about dust, stains, or long-term wear. Many creators struggle with keeping their backdrop clean over time, but this one is built for repeated use. It can be clipped, taped, or mounted onto existing stands and walls, giving you flexible setup options for studios or home environments. Overall, this green screen is perfect for creators who need maximum coverage, professional chroma key performance, and long-term durability for large-scale shooting setups. Next up is the MArt Green Screen Backdrop Kit. This kit is ideal for beginners and intermediate creators who want a complete solution right out of the box. Complete stand and clamp kit, foldable and portable design, and high-quality muslin fabric make it a very convenient all-in-one option. You do not need to buy extra accessories because everything required for setup is included. The muslin fabric used here provides a rich, even green tone that works well with most editing software. It hangs smoothly when clipped onto the stand and offers consistent chroma key results. Unlike cheaper materials, this muslin is thick enough to block background light, which helps eliminate shadows and improves the final keying quality. It also folds easily for storage, making it great for creators with limited space. The adjustable aluminum stand allows you to change both height and width depending on your filming needs, whether you are sitting for a talking head video or standing for a presentation-style shoot. You can quickly adjust the frame. The included clamps keep the fabric tight and secure, reducing sagging and unwanted folds during filming. Portability is another highlight. The entire kit can be packed into a carry bag, which is extremely useful for on-location shoots, classroom use, or small studios that need to set up and pack away frequently. This makes it a favorite for YouTubers, online teachers, and live streamers who want professional results without complicated equipment. Overall, this kit delivers convenience, quality, and portability, making it an excellent choice for creators who want a ready-to-use green screen setup with minimal effort. Next, we have the Jibutu Green Screen Backdrop Kit with stand. This kit focuses heavily on stability and ease of setup for regular content creators. Heavy-duty adjustable stand, thick non-reflective fabric, and quick assembly design make it reliable for frequent use. The stand is sturdier than many entry-level kits, which means it stays stable even during longer shoots or when placed on uneven floors. The fabric is designed to be non-reflective, which is extremely important for chroma key work. Reflections from lighting can create bright spots that are difficult to remove in editing, but this backdrop absorbs light evenly. The green tone is uniform across the surface, helping editing software detect and remove the background cleanly without artifacts. Setup is fast and straightforward. Overall, this green screen kit offers strong build quality, reliable chroma key performance, and quick setup, making it ideal for creators who film regularly and need dependable equipment. Next, the CPLRIS 10x20 green screen backdrop stands out for its combination of large coverage and premium fabric quality. Large studio size coverage, premium wrinkle-resistant cloth, and excellent light absorption make it a strong choice for serious video production. The generous size allows for wide camera framing, making it ideal for multi-person shoots and creative camera angles. The cloth material is thicker than many standard backdrops, which prevents transparency issues when lighting is placed behind or around the screen. This results in deeper green color and cleaner keying in post-production. The wrinkle-resistant design also saves time during setup because you do not have to spend extra effort smoothing out folds. Light absorption is one of the key benefits here. The fabric minimizes glare and reflections, which helps maintain consistent green tones across the entire backdrop. This is particularly useful when using strong studio lights, as it reduces hotspots that can interfere with chroma key work. Overall, this green screen delivers professional-grade coverage, superior material quality, and reliable chroma key results for larger production setups. The last one on our list is the MArt Upgrade green screen. This is a premium pull-up style green screen designed for maximum convenience and speed. Pull-up retractable design, crease-resistant polyester screen, and self-standing frame make it incredibly easy to use. Unlike traditional backdrops, you do not need stands, clamps, or wall mounts. The retractable mechanism allows you to set it up in seconds. Simply pull it up from the base and it locks into place. When you're done, it retracts smoothly back into the case for compact storage. This is perfect for streamers, remote workers, and content creators who need a clean background quickly without rearranging their room. The polyester screen is designed to resist creases, ensuring a smooth chroma key surface every time. The green tone is consistent, and the material works very well with editing software for clean background removal. Because it's self-standing, you can place it anywhere behind your chair or desk without worrying about support equipment. Overall, this upgraded green screen offers unmatched convenience, fast setup, and professional results, making it a top choice for creators who value simplicity and efficiency. So that's it for the best green screens you can get for your studio or home setup. If this video helped you choose the right backdrop, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative.